everybody? What's going on, man? Chilly. That's what it is. Winter time. You know what it is. But guess, man. My brother picked up a new boat, guys. Got a new tractor. Hell yeah. Just picked it up a couple weeks ago. I gotta come out here for, gotta get a new fishing license. Gotta do some fishing on this bad boy right here. He's been going out. They be catching them. Spotted bass. About to go hit Lake Oroville up, guys. That's what's up. Lake Oroville. The way to go. Check it out. Got some nice trolling motor. Power drive. 55, yup. Nice deck in the front. Hell yeah. Live well. Got some storage. We rigged up. Got the poles in there. Nice driving console. 2-seater. And got the 50 mark on there, guys. Super stoked. I'm gonna catch some fish. I don't know about y'all. Man, looks clean though. Ooh, nice ass console too. Pretty spacious inside. A 4-stroke Mercury. That's what's up. Man, fish finder ready to go, lock and loaded, and looking clean. It's my brother there. So what's up?
What up?
He's the guy that pulled a new boat, man. Making bank now, so we gotta do some fishing. Oh, we got a cup holder up here. Put your beer in there, whatever you want. Whew. Well, we about lock and loaded. We about to get out there. Sun's starting to come out. Got a couple minutes to drive to the lake. See you guys in a bit. Hope we hook them up. $21. Yep, fish on. It ain't fighting. It's a stick or something, dude. Stick on. No skunk. Oh, you flip him. You small ass sucker. Look at that. Damn. We got a hit. Got him, dude. Oh, you got. I think you do.
Your line's from the left, fool. Your line's from the left already, fool.
Ooh, choked it.
Damn, dog.
Come on, Eric. We need to get on the board. There you go, boy. Eric, veined up. Ooh, that's a fatty one too, boy.
Too crazy for a winter bass right now.
Out there in the middle, huh?
Right next to the boat.
Dude, that should be hella shallow. 9 feet only. Okay. They pushed up, man. Yeah. No. It's a good one, dude.
He's fighting hard. He's fighting hard.
You net?
Look at barely hooked him.
Damn. They want that shit. I'll throw over here. You guys catching all the fish. Catching all the fish. I'm still trying to get on the board. Yeah, decent one. Damn, they like that. Hella choked it. They want that shit. I'm about to switch my shit up. Throw the net rig. They don't want to drop it. Oh, dude, look at that there, guys. It's going across, man. Damn, I see salai. caught you at all. He's hardcore. He is small.
That's a small. That's a 3-pointer.
Oh, but hey, yeah.
No, but that's a legal one though. I know.
Hell yeah, guys. Whoop. Check that out. Got him. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, net. Got him. Damn. They want that fucking shaky head. Nice one. Crazy one. Alright. Hooking up, man. Ooh, it's a nice one, too. Hey, there we go.
Smelling it hella good. Got him in the nose.
Mm-hmm. That's a solid one. Solid fish. Smelling it good. Yeah, thick one. Woo! There you go. Ooh, he's a nice one, dude. Spit out fish. Spit out bait fish. Come on, eat my.
Hold up now.
Yeah, go ahead. Come on, y'all gotta be eating my swim bait then.
A little thicker one.
Damn, they want that Cinco. All day Cinco. On his head, guys. Caught one with a tumor. There we go. Finally a chunker for myself. I caught a tumor one. Tumor fish. There we go. Damn, finally on the board. Finally, a little swim bait. Come on. How about? Okay. Got one.
Oh my.
There we go. Whoa. Damn. You don't find jerkbait fish, boy. Yeah.
He wants it to be a trout. Whoa.
There we go. There we go, guys. Nothing big, but it's a hitter. Caught out that dual deep diver. Don't know the size. It's a hitter. Damn, spinning bait in that dirty mud. That dirty water. Hey. There you go. Boy, Eric. Boy, Eric. Got him? Missed? Missed it? Damn. They're probably chasing right there in that dirt. There you go. Hell of a boat though, man. Hell of a boat. My boy right there banging. It is cold though. That's why we out of here. Woo! What a day, guys. It was cold. Tough for me. Could have been better.
Right here, you can do it right here.
But hey, it was a grind. Hell of a day. Caught some fish at least. Did some work. Bang them out. That's what we do, you know. But that's it for us. Out of here. Till next episode, guys. Peace.